হেল্ল' ভিউয়াৰ্ছ ৱেলকাম বেক টু ইউটিউব চেনেল তাৰিপাক মই সুজন। আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টো 2024 মেট্ৰিক পৰীক্ষাৰ বাবে অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ কিয়নো আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ৰ জৰিয়তে আমি ক্লাছ 10ৰ ইংলিছৰ বাবে কুৰ্গ চেপ্টাৰৰ পৰা মোষ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট এমচিকিউ দিম যিটো মেট্ৰিকৰ সম্ভাৱনা অতি বেছি। সো বলক ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। কুৰ্গ চেপ্টাৰৰ পৰা 34টা প্ৰশ্ন সিলেক্ট কৰা হ'ল। মই পঢ়ি দিছোঁ এইকেইটা প্ৰশ্ন। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1, হাউ মাছ এৰিয়া অফ কুৰ্গ ইজ কভাৰ্ড বাই evergreen forest? Option A 10%, option B 20%, option C 30%, option D 40%. Answer about 30%. Question number 2, from which river do Kurgs get water? Option A Krishna, option B Narmada, option C Kaveri, option D Tapi. Answer about Kaveri. Question number 3, the Kurgi people are famous for the tradition of option A amenity, option B cleverness, option C selfishness, option D hospitality. Answer about hospitality. Question number 4, Kurgs are descendants of option A Greeks, option B Arabs, option C Hindu word, option D both A and B. Answer about both A and B, the Greeks and Arabs. Question number 5, who was General Cariappa? Option A the first chief of the Indian army, option B a great political leader, option C a great coffee planter, option D a British officer. Answer about the first chief of the Indian army. Question number 6, the freshwater fish of Kurg is option A whale, option B mashir, option C shark, option D dolphin. Answer about mashir. Question number 7, in which state of India is Kurg situated? Option A Karnataka, option B Goa, option C Kerala, option D Tamil Nadu. Answer about Karnataka. Question number 8, Kurg is famous for its option A coffee plantation, option B evergreen rainforest, option C spices, option D all of the above. Answer about all of the above. Question number 9, the best season to visit Kurg is option A September to March, option B April to June, option C July to August, option D all the years. Answer to about September to March. Question number 10, the essay on Kurg highlights the sharp observation and the ability for a graphic description of the wonderful land that is called Kurg. The writer, option A Lokesh Sawan, option B Lokesh Abdul, option C Lokesh Prajapati, option D none of the above. Answer about Lokesh Abdul. Question number 11, this is a coffee producing area in the Karnataka state of India. Option A Kurg, option B Bangalore, option C Hubli, option D Mangalore. Answer about Kurg. Question number 12, where is Kurg situated? Option A midway between Hubli and Mangalore, option B midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore, option C midway between Mangalore and Hubli, question number D none of the above. Answer about midway between Mysore and the coastal area of Mangalore. Question number 13, Kurg is the district of Karnataka. Option A poorest, option B richest, option C oldest, option D smallest. Answer about smallest. Question number 14, what is India's largest Tibetan settlement at Bailakuppe famous for? Option A Buddhist monk, option B Buddhist temple, option C Buddhist population, option D both A and B. Answer both A and B, that means Buddhist monks and Buddhist temples. Question number 15, these are the only people in India who were allowed to carry firearms without a license. Option A Kurgis, option B Kudabos, option C Mongolians, option D Karnataka. Answer to about Kudabos. Question number 16, from the Brahmagiri hills one can enjoy a panoramic view of the entire landscape. Option A Mangalore, option B Hubli, option C Karnataka, option D Kurg. Answer about Kurg. Question number 17, there is dash island of Nisargadama near Kurg which can be reached through a rock bridge. Option A 64 acre, option B 56 acre, option C 46 acre, option D 45 acre. Answer about 64 acre. Question number 18, Kurg is famous for its option A traditional food and dresses, option B rainforest and spices, option C local cuisines and places, option D all of the above. Answer about rainforest and spices. Question number 19, what is the other name of Kurg? Option A Kudagu, option B Kudai, option C Karnataka, option D Kerala. Answer about Kudagu. Question number 20, what does the author Lokesh Abdul say about Kurg? Option A it is a beautiful place, option B it must have come from the kingdom of God, option C it is an authentic and ancient, option D all of the above. Answer about it must have come from the kingdom of God. Question number 21, Buddhist monks are settled in which is very close to Kurg? Option A নিসাৰ্গদামা, অপশ্যন বি বাইলাকোপে, অপশ্যন চি হুবলি, অপশ্যন ডি মেংগালোৰ। এনচাৰ হ'ব বাইলাকোপে। Question number 22. Land of rolling hills is also known as option A Kurg, option B Mangalore, option C Hubli, option D Karnataka. Answer of Kurg. Question number 23. In Kurg, September to March is the most pleasant season for tourists because option A during this period the weather is perfect, option B the wear breaths of Kurg coffee, option C animals can be seen closely, option D both A and B. Answer of both A and B. Question number 24. It is say that a part of the settled and the married amongst the locals in Kurg. Option A Alexander's army, option B Arabs, option B Kurds, option B none of the above. Answer of Alexander's army. Question number 25. Which dress is worn by the Arabs and the Kurds as mentioned in the chapter Kurg? Option A Zubba, option B Kufia, option C long black coat, option D none of the above. Answer of Kufia. Question number 26. The task is one of the most decorated in the Indian army. Option A Kurg regiment, option B Kurg house, option C Kurg soldier, option D none of the above. Answer of Kurg regiment. Question number 27. Which animals are seen enjoying in the lap of the nature in Kurg? Option A animals and langurs, option B birds, bees and butterflies, option C kingfisher and squirrels, option D all of the above. Answer of all of the above. Question number 28. The river and the mountains of the Kurg offer various adventurous games like option A river rafting, option C canoeing and rappelling, option C rock climbing and mountain biking, option D all of the above. Answer of all of the above. Question number 29. What does the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt copia resemble? Option A the cuffs were worn by the Arabs, option B the zubba worn by the Arabs, option C the traditional dress of Kurds, option D none of the above. Answer of the cuffs were worn by the Arabs. Question number 30. Why do some people feel the people of Kurg originate from Arabs? Option A because of traditional marriages, option B because of the dresses they wear, option C because of their language, option D all of the above. Answer of because of the dresses they wear. Question number 31. We can reach Kurg by option A air, option B rail, option C road, option D all of the above. Answer of all of the above. Question number 32. What is the district headquarters of Kurg? Option A Mangalore, option B Bangalore, option C Mysore, option D Medicari. Answer of Medicari. Question number 33. What is the distance between the Bangalore and Kurg? Option A 100 kilometers, option B 260 kilometers, option C 30 kilometers, option D 335 kilometers. Answer over 260 kilometers. Question number 34. What is Nisargadama? Option A river, option B an island, option C a city, option D a coffee plantation. Answer over an island. এই ভিডিঅ'টোৰ জৰিয়তে যিবোৰ MCQ দিয়া হ'ল সেই মেট্ৰিকৰ দৃষ্টিকোণৰ পৰা অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ। ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিলে লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব নাপাহৰিব। থেংক ইউ ভেৰি মাছ। জয় হিন্দ, জয় অসম।